Self-development lead TV. Maximizing ChatGPT. 11 practical uses for everyday success. Today, I want to share with you 11 awesome ways to use ChatGPT in your everyday life. ChatGPT is an amazing chatbot that can provide information in a conversational manner. So, let's dive right in. First off, you can use ChatGPT to help you write and edit your resume. Just give it all the details you want to include and let it know how you want it to look. You can even get feedback from ChatGPT and improve your resume by role-playing as an interviewer. Next, if you need some creative ideas, ChatGPT is your go-to tool. Just present a topic or idea, and ChatGPT will generate a bunch of creative suggestions. Whether you need ideas for meals, games, or even translating the days of the week into multiple languages, ChatGPT has got you covered. When it comes to content planning and outlining, ChatGPT is a real-time saver. By leveraging the stored information, ChatGPT can quickly help you plan and outline your content. If you're into video production, you'll love this one. ChatGPT can assist you in writing video scripts. This can be a huge time saver at all stages of the process, and ChatGPT can create conversational scripts based on your input. ChatGPT is also a great source of fun and interesting facts. You can ask it anything from quantum physics to coffee-making tips. Just keep in mind that not all the information it provides is accurate, as ChatGPT learns from internet data. Looking to pick up a new hobby? ChatGPT can help you there too. Whether it's learning to play the piano, finding beginner-friendly painting materials, or getting a potato gratin recipe, ChatGPT can provide you with relevant information. If you're interested in learning languages, ChatGPT can be your language learning assistant. You can ask ChatGPT how to say the days of the week in different languages or how to greet someone in various languages. It's a helpful tool for language learners. For those who need to summarize long documents, ChatGPT can come to the rescue. Just type in your document, and ChatGPT will provide you with a summary of the key points. If you're working on a creative project with a team, ChatGPT can be a great collaboration tool. You can ask it questions about your creative work and share your thoughts with your team. Are you a foodie? ChatGPT can help you explore new foods and recipes. Just ask it for cooking ideas or information about different ingredients. It's a fun way to discover new culinary delights. Last but not least, ChatGPT is here to answer all your everyday questions. Whether you need information or have a query about something, just ask ChatGPT, and it will kindly provide you with an answer. That's it. These are 11 convenient ways you can use ChatGPT in your daily life. It's a powerful tool that can boost your creativity and productivity. So go ahead and make the most of ChatGPT in your everyday routine. Thanks for watching.